You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. I know it's very confusing. The pronunciation can be a little bit confusing as well, so bear with me. So basically, the pronunciation that you can easily use, British English, is as usufructuary, 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 usufructuary. All right. Now there are variations. You can use an S sound at the beginning rather than a Z. So user or user. It's up to you. So you can say usufructuary, usufructuary. That works as well. Now the Americans say it as airy at the end, as in usufructuary, usufructuary. That's the more American English pronunciation. So yeah, I know it's a little bit confusing, but in essence, basically, usufructuary or usufructuary. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.